Weight loss is a personal journey. Although not everyone needs to lose weight, it might be something you're considering to feel your best. Here are 10 science-backed foods that can help support a healthy weight loss journey while keeping your body nourished and satisfied. First, eggs are packed with protein and healthy fats, which help you feel full for longer. A 2020 study found that eating eggs for breakfast kept participants fuller for up to 4 hours. This was compared to a cereal-based breakfast. Similarly, chicken breast and lean meats like flank steak are excellent protein sources. Protein not only keeps you satisfied, but also supports muscle maintenance during weight loss. Beans and legumes like lentils and black beans are another great source of protein and fiber. These two nutrients promote fullness and aid digestion. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are packed with fiber and essential nutrients while being low in calories. They also contain thylakoids, compounds that may help control appetite. Cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli and cauliflower, are also high in fiber, filling, and great for weight management. Potatoes and other root vegetables, especially when cooled after boiling, contain resistant starch, a fiber-like compound linked to weight loss. Fish such as salmon and tuna is high in quality protein and healthy fats, which can help you stay full. Fish also provides iodine, a key nutrient for thyroid health and metabolism. Cottage cheese is another excellent high-protein option that's filling and rich in calcium, which may support weight management. Avocados are calorie-dense but rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and water, making them very filling. They also provide key nutrients like potassium, which supports heart health and blood pressure. Finally, soups, especially broth-based or tomato-based options, can help with portion control. Eating a bowl of vegetable-based soup before a meal may help you feel fuller and eat less overall. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help support your weight loss journey while keeping you nourished and satisfied.